In this video, we are going to see how we can change the password of the TikTok application on the Android phone or iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. But just remember that if you have forgot your password, this method will be a little bit different. For that, you need to log out of the TikTok application or account. You click on the settings and privacy and click on logout. And then when you're trying to log in, you just enter your email address. And once you don't know the password, you will click on forgot password and it will ask you for the two-step verification either with the email or passkey or the Google Authenticator, whatever you have set. But in this case, we are considering that we already know our password and we just want to change it for security reasons. For that, we will head over to the profile icon on the bottom right hand corner and head over to the three lines at the top right and click on settings and privacy right here. From here, we will click on this account section that is under the account category. Click on that. And from here, we will choose the password option. Click on that. And here you can just create your password. Let me just quickly create mine. And let's just use this password. Click on continue. And now our new password is set. As you can see at the top, the notification will appear here. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.